Hi friends, today this is the second video related to the traffic surveys and analysis topic. After selecting the homogeneous section and then traffic survey location, you have to carry out the surveys. As I told in the contents, three important surveys for highway project are classified volume count survey, axle load survey, and then OD survey. Okay, so now let's go to the classified volume count survey. This can be done both manually or videographic survey. So I think every civil engineer must have aware about this survey. Um, so now we'll go to the industrial procedure. Normally we used to carry out for the 7 days, 7 days continuously, means 24 hours there survey. Traffic is counted in numbers of vehicles by vehicle category wise. So uh, two-wheelers, three-wheelers, and auto rickshaws, all those things, multi-axle vehicles, all things you have to enter. So you have to select enumerators, nearby locals, okay, villagers. Some educated enumerators should be required. So and then one other option is the videographic survey. So to conduct the survey properly, you have to select a good location. Means it should not be interrupted for videographic survey. Okay. So for that, see, I will show you. Once the videographic survey over, you have to enter it for every 15 minutes. Okay, up and down, total number of vehicles, up direction and then down direction. These are the motor vehicles and passenger category, motorized vehicle, commercial category. Okay, these are the this is the sheet for the data entry. Whether you have done manually or videographic, both for both surveys you should enter in a proper format. Okay, this is the standard sheet. Okay, then now the next is axle load survey. So this is very important survey for designing the flexible payment or rigid payment for both. Okay, so now how to do, that is the important. um, at the selected survey location, arrangements were made for the installation of axle weighing pads. So two axle pads should be there. Okay, so you should be aware about the arrangements. Means proper paved surface should be selected, and straight portion should be selected to avoid the traffic jams and congestion problems and accidents also. Okay, so straight portion visibility should be there. Okay, so now before that, you should get the permission from the local police office. Okay, so with the permission also you can get the 2 3 constables to help our survey. Okay, so police will help you with the for the survey, because drivers won't stop that much easy. So when they see the police they will stop, that is sure. Okay, so then portable and pre-calibrated wheel weighing pads, one at each direction, were used for the measurement of wheel loads. Okay, that's it. Now, these lines are very self-explanatory. You can read it, but normally main arrangement should be generator for the night time, and then police arrangement, um, calibrated weighing pads should be there. So after that, you have to stop the vehicle and keep it on a exactly center. So then you have to note down the what to say reading, weight. Okay, so it should be proper format. Vehicle type also should be mentioned in the format. So these are the snapshots. See, police is there, and safety jackets also there. Okay, so along in this survey, you have to carry out the OD survey also. That will be a very good survey. See, this is the format. See, once you note down the what to say weights, before that you can ask the driver or whatever the person is near to the direction, cleaner or net, so you can get the details. See, time of for that what time you are doing the survey. Then vehicle type, what type of vehicle. See here, these are the vehicle types, images. Then from where to where he's going, origin and destination. Okay, and then uh, these are the weights you have to enter, wheel loads. Okay, see first axle, second axle, how much is the weight. Okay, that you have to enter. Simultaneously, you can carry out the OD survey and then axle load survey. So this is the motto. Now you can go to the OD survey. OD survey by roadside interview method was conducted at appropriate location along with axle load survey. Normally, this is the industry practice. We used to carry out both simultaneously. And then OD survey is required to estimate the number of trips with respect to origin and destination in order to know the travel trend pattern of goods vehicles within project influence area. As I told you that suppose if the road project is in the some Telangana state, so it must be influenced by the other states also, because most of the traffic will come from the other states and within the state also. So what will be the project influence area? Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh and Orissa, Andhra. These are the project influential states, and the region also should be there. That you have to find out with this OD survey. And then during the survey, goods vehicles were stopped at random sample basis with help of police assistance. The driver stopped vehicles were interviewed by trainee enumerators. This should be clear. Trained enumerators to collect the required data and travel information in survey formats. As I told you, as I shown you here, this is the survey format. Okay, here you have to enter. Sorry. Hmm. Survey. The following information of travel was collected during the OD survey and movement surveys. That is vehicle type, OD of trips, commodity, what type of commodity they are carrying. Okay, so that also should be collected. So that's it, guys. These are the surveys. In the first video, I discussed the motto and contents, all those things, approach and methodology. Okay, and next video will be the analysis, how is to do analysis part. Thank you guys for listening. That's it.